Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino along with Mike Arnold from Path Trading Partners. It is August 7th. This is an IOTA, IOTA cryptocurrency educational update. Mike filled you in with what he thought was going on with Bitcoin and the key levels and possible direction and the way we might trade it. So he's doing the same here in the IOTA video. Again, this is the same kind of analysis that we do in traditional markets. And we find that the price action that we do in traditional markets applies to cryptocurrencies as well. So having said that, let me turn it over to Mike to let you know what he's seeing on the charts. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. So, IOTA US dollar continues to push higher, push through both our GAN projections as 45.15, 47.14. Gonna take those off now. Wanted to show, we did this in our Bitcoin video, wanted to show also how you could have entered this using the rotation zone concept. So this is the way it looked like. Push up, we finally got the pull back into the rotation zone. Again, like we covered in the Bitcoin video, you can simply draw a trend line, whether it's to here, waiting for a move above there, possibly to here, get a close above the trend line or a big push. That signifies your rotation up entry. Those are the kind of things we are looking for to enter and then go to the next GAN levels. At this point, we're pushing all the way up here. We have a couple new projection levels higher should we pull back and rotate back up. Next levels are 50.18 and 51.37. We're pulling back towards the rising 8 and a significant level. This thing could easily still pull back and hold above this 25%, the 43.53 level, and be in the rotation zone. It might even dip slightly below that. We have a 43.35 key level, and even if it returned to do this prior breakout zone, 41.94. So these are the levels we'll be watching for. This is why it's really hard to pinpoint one level. What we want to do is see it pull back to some of these key areas and then rotate up. You can use that trend line technique to learn how to enter on the rotations back up. Want to switch over also to the daily chart to point something out because we are getting very extended in IOTA also. So here's our daily chart. You can see our rotation zone and the rising 8 is all the way down here around this 37. Many times when the markets get really extended from it, it will pull back. Now that doesn't mean it has to pull all the way back down to this level, but these two levels will meet up somewhere. So this will keep rising, this can pull back. I'm not saying this pullback's imminent, nobody knows that, but don't be surprised if we do get a larger pullback, just like we could see one in Bitcoin. You can see even when it was selling off down here, it got extended from the orange line on the downslope, got extended and then snapped back into it. Now we're doing the opposite here. So be prepared. You don't want to just keep piling in on these small pullbacks. Yes, you can add some of these are aggressive adds and look for these higher pushes. And then save some capital also if we have the bigger pullback, so you can still add if you have a bigger pullback and take advantage of some of these bigger pullbacks getting in at a better price for another push higher. Just want to point that out. Even if we return to this 38 level, that's still only a 50% pullback from not even this full push. If we go down here to the full push from this prior breakout level, the 50% is the 3670 area. So these are the kind of things that you can see when we do pull back. Don't be caught off guard. It doesn't mean anything's going on with IOTA other than normal market fluctuation and price movement. So that's what we're going to be watching for. We covered the shorter term levels on the shorter term chart, and now we're just looking at these levels on a daily chart to keep everything into perspective. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing, and leave us a comment or reach out to us at pathtradingpartners.com. You can find us at support@pathtradingpartners.com. Also, check out the Money Path Podcast. You can find that by typing the Money Path Podcast into Google Play or iTunes, or catch it at our website, pathtradingpartners.com. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching.